Log into usBIM with your credentials. Create a new IDs editable document. Add more specifications and other requirements. Define the general data of the specific information. Select the entities on which to apply the specification through the filters. Add requirements to be met to the specification. Add more specifications and other requirements. View a report of the delivery specifications in readable format. Generate an output that can be used with the IFC model to allow automatic validation. Start validating the IFC model by importing the IDs file with the specifications that need to be satisfied. View the results of the controls relating to the specifications. Choose a color to highlight the specifications in error. Highlight entities investigated directly on the IFC model. View the error code by means of labels on the involved IFC elements. Access the legend referring to problems encountered. Export the validation results in the BCF format.